All right, hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Phil Colbridge here with TOWNHOME.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special new listing for you here in beautiful Kissimmee, right off 192, Turnpike's right there, I-4 is right there, Disney World a couple minutes away. It's an incredible opportunity, especially for the price point under $200,000, all this value for a more than 1,600 square foot house, townhome, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with a beautiful green space in the back. You gotta come check it out. Let's go. All right, so right when we enter, we have the beautiful high ceiling foyer with the engineered hardwood here. And then we come in, there's actually, we call it 2 family rooms because we have the foyer, then we have 1 family room where they have a TV set up here with a couch, and then we flow into the next family room, which adjoins with the nook and the kitchen. So plenty of counter space here, great for entertaining guests, cooking, you know, you name it. It's got it all here. And then in the back you have some space and some green area. And so we'll check that out. But we have a half bathroom downstairs. Let's go check out upstairs. Okay, so here we come upstairs where all the bedrooms are. We have bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3. We have a full bathroom here to share between them. And then we flow into the master where we have the large bathroom with the double sinks and then a nice spacious master bedroom here which overlooks again the green area in the back, and then we'll go out to the upstairs patio. All right, so welcome to the upstairs porch, direct access from the master suite and also bedroom number 2. So here we are, we have the downstairs and the upstairs patios. Also to mention, we have a new AC from last year, so it's turnkey. The HOA takes care of all the exterior and actually very reasonable for a townhome. We have the green space here, the little park, community pools just down the way, and again, the location is absolutely incredible. The sellers actually had this as a vacation home only for them for a few weeks out of the year. So it's very fresh, barely been lived in. You gotta come check it out and feel it for yourself. So this is Phil Colbridge here again with TOWNHOME.com. Everything's on that website, so come check it out. And then my number again is 321-287-3913. Thank you.